How to make mozzarella sticks on the Nuwave Brio Plus 7-quart air fryer. Power on the Brio and navigate the cooking presets menu until you locate number 25, the preset for mozzarella sticks. Press the start button and the Brio will automatically begin preheating to a temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, prepare your mozzarella sticks. When preheating is finished, pull the base tray out and carefully add the mozzarella sticks. Insert the base tray back inside the power base, and the Brio will automatically begin cooking with a temperature of 375 degrees for 8 minutes. Halfway through the cook, the Brio will alert you when to flip the mozzarella sticks for an even cook. When the display shows flip, pull the base tray out, carefully flip each stick, and then slide the tray back inside to resume the cook. When the countdown finishes, pull the base tray out and carefully transfer the mozzarella sticks onto a plate. Add your favorite dipping sauce, and the mozzarella sticks are now ready to serve. Enjoy.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.